Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video I am going to show you guys how I straighten my hair. Now this is the thing I like to do whenever I want my hair to be more clean and manageable. You guys can see my hair is kind of very frizzy and curly, and I sometimes whenever I'm going out somewhere for a longer period of time, I want my hair to be more clean and so that I can manage my hair. I don't want all this frizziness around me. During that time I like to do this. I like to straighten my hair and I use few products before straightening. In today's video I am going to show you guys everything. I'm going to talk about every product and also I'm going to show you guys how I straighten my hair section by section. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to show you guys is this one. This one is the BBLUNT Climate Control Anti-Frizz Leave-In Cream. I like to use this after I washed my hair. I like to use this as a leave-in cream. This actually moisturizes my hair. This actually moisturizes my hair and this actually controls, what should I say, this controls like 40% of my frizziness and it works really well for me. So I'm just gonna take it and I'm just gonna use it all over my hair. You get so many leave-in creams in the market. You have this one. This is really cheap as well. This is for 275 rupees and this really works well for me. And if you also have Pantene leave-in cream, you also have L'Oreal leave-in cream, so you can use any leave-in creams that works well for you. After that I like to use this one. This one is the L'Oreal Paris. This is actually for protecting your hair from heat. Actually you should use a heat protectant. This is compulsory guys, you should use, and this is almost gone, but I am a huge fan of this product. This is for I think 600 rupees or something, 670 rupees or something. This really works well for me. This is absolutely stunning. If you want a heat protection spray, you can go for Vela. You can also go for L'Oreal. You can also go for Tresemme as well. I think I'm gonna buy the Tresemme one next and also this one as well. This is always out of stock. I don't know why. I think I have to buy two of these. This is always out of stock. Just gonna use it all over my hair. After that, the last product that I like to use, and this product is actually optional, you don't have to use this. This is what I like to use personally. This is a hair mist and this actually helps your hair to smell good whenever like we are having a bad hair day and our hair smells really bad, especially in the monsoons. Our hair smells really bad. You are having a very bad hair day. This is what I like to use on my bad hair days. And this is actually alcohol free as well. I will always prefer you to use a hair mist which is alcohol free guys, and this is actually made with apple and green tea. I'm gonna link all the products down in the description box below so that you can just check the link and you can just buy a product whichever you find better for you. This is actually paraben free as well, so I really like this. The smell is also very beautiful. It's not too strong because I am not a huge fan of too strong smells. You guys know that, but this smells really good. Contains this kind of fruity smell in it which I really like. So now I'm going to show you guys what straightener I like to use. This is the straightener I'm using for almost 3 years now and this is from Philips. This is the straightener I don't really like that much, but I'm still using it because this works well for me, and this straightener looks like this, and you have this power on and off button right over here, and yeah, you cannot really control the temperature right over here, but if you want a good straightener, I will prefer you guys to use the Iconic straightener. It's a professional hair straightener guys. It's the best hair straightener. If you visit any salon or if you are visiting any kind of beauty parlor, I'll always see them using Iconic straighteners. But if you are using a Philips straightener, it's also good. It's nothing bad. Also, you can close it by pressing this right over here, and you can open it as well by pressing it right over here. So this is what my straightener looks like. Nothing extraordinary, nothing fancy, very simple, like normal straightener. Use some section clips to section my hair. Section your hair and then you style your hair. It makes it very easy. And I also like to take this kind of tail comb and just to brush my hair whenever I'm straightening it. So this is what I like to use. Okay, so I'm just gonna press the power on button. You guys can see a green light is there. I'm just gonna keep this over here, and after that I am gonna take this tail comb and I am gonna section my hair. My hair is not so long, it's kind of a short medium length hair. So I like to section my hair in 3 sections. I also sometimes do it in 2 sections, doesn't really matter. But I like to, but today I'm gonna do it in like 3 sections. So I just use this and I just section my hair like this, and I just like to take my section clips like to section my hair with this. First I am just gonna show you guys a little bit how it looks. So I'm just gonna take this comb right over here and I'm just slightly gonna straight it. So I'm just gonna show you guys first how I do it. So this is how I like to do it. You guys can see my hair is already done. This part is already done. I'm gonna again brush my hair and I'm just gonna again straight it. My straightener works really fast. So this is what my hair is looking right now. This is not the complete result. I am again gonna do it a few more times. But I like to do this sometimes because obviously heat is not good for your hair, so you should not always use heat. Your natural hair is more beautiful than all of this. Just brush my hair like this and I just use my straightener. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is what my hair is looking right now, and yeah, it's pretty much looking very straight and sleek and smooth, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna do the rest of my hair. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking right now, and if you guys can see that my hair is not properly done from my roots, this is because I don't want to take my straightener towards my root. I don't want to damage my hair too much, so I just don't want to take my straightener just on this root area. After that, after straightening my hair, I like to use this one. This one is the GK serum. Now this is very costly, I think 1900 rupees, but you can use any serum you want. This is my last bottle and I'm not gonna buy it anymore, but I'm just showing you guys because this serum is actually very good, so I really like to use it. You can actually also use OGX serum as well. This one is their argan oil serum. This is really good and it's my absolute favorite. I always recommend people to use this serum right over here. So I just like to use it all over my hair after straightening. This is the final result. This was the before and this is the after. So this is how my hair is looking right now. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video and find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you guys so much. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.